Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about inheritance, multiple inheritance. So let's get started. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. It helps in code reusability. Let's see an example of inheritance. In this, employee class is a parent class. Name and salary are the attributes of employee class. Work and get details are the function of employee class. Now we have defined a child class named manager. Here manager class inherits the employee class. This is the syntax to define inheritance. Here after child class name, parent class name should come in parentheses. We have used super function. It will make the child class inherit all the methods and properties from its parent. So here manager class inherits name and salary of the employee class and department is the attribute of manager class. Firstly, we have created the object of parent class and supplied values employee, name and salary. Secondly, we have created the object of child class and supplied values manager name, salary and department. Now we are calling the functions of employee class using employee object so it print a statement present inside the parent class methods. So employee.getDetails will print employee name as Alice and salary 50,000 and employee.work will print Alice is working. Similarly, we are calling the functions of manager class using its object. So it print the statement present inside the child class methods and we get the output from manager.getDetails, manager name as Bob, salary as 80,000 and department as sales. And from manager.work, it will print Bob is managing the sales department. Now let's see multiple inheritance. Python also supports multiple inheritance where a class can inherit from more than one parent class. In the previous example, we saw that inherit from a single class. Now we will see how we can inherit from more than one class. Here in this example, we have two base class A and B and one child class C. So class C will inherit the properties from both A and B. Hope you understood inheritance and multiple inheritance in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.